Back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix far west game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, fatal error or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it. Click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now here you have to select the game application. Now select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I've already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time, and after that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game once again and then check if the issue is fixed. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now open it, click on Windows update, and here you will have to click on check for updates option. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall far west game once again and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix far west game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, fatal error, black screen or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.